Hello friends, today we'll see how to do the email automation using Python. Let's start. This is my Python IDE. So before start we need to import the SMTP library. So I will import SMTP, import SMTP lib. Okay, so it is successfully imported. If it is giving an error, then you need to check your Python library. Okay, then I will create one variable smtp lib dot smtp. Okay, so here you need to pass the host and port number. Okay, so I will pass so we'll do the email automation for the Gmail. So I will use the smtp.gmail.com, which is the host for the Gmail. Okay, and the port number is 587. So it is successfully connected to the host and port ID. Okay, and then we need to do the we need to call one function called hello dot ehlo. Okay, so it's saying it's successfully connected to the smtp.gmail.com. okay, and then we need, for the secure connection, we need to use the TLS, which will encrypt the connection. Dot start TLS. So it will encrypt into the TLS mode. Okay, so next is, so it's successfully done to the TLS mode. Okay, next we can log in. So there are different modes, we can select login. So before login with your Gmail ID, we need to do two things on your Gmail ID. So I will use this Gmail ID. So we need to do some settings on your Gmail. Go to setting and select on forward popen IMP setting and enable the IMP and the pop setting. Okay, you need to enable the IMAP, or you can select this also. And you need to do one more thing. Let's Secure app. You need to switch on the Let's Secure app. So it's already done the, so click on your Let's Secure. So this is for my email ID. I need to select. Click here. So you need to switch on this button for your Gmail account. Okay, so switched on for my email ID, which I will use for the Python automation. Okay, so you need to switch on these two things. So you need to enable the IMAP setting and POP3 setting and the Let's Secure app. Okay, let's switch back to our Python. So I will use my email ID, new mail for automation gmail.com, and the password. Already changed after the video. I have changed the password. CBM. Okay, so it's saying it's accepted. So once you will switch on these two things, then you will get this message. Okay, if it is not there, then it will throw an error. So it's successfully logged in to my account. Now I will do this send email. So I will do the send email. So we need to select the from mail ID. So I will give the same mail ID. then the to mail ID, to where you want to send. So I will send to one of my personal account, and then you can write the subject here. So I will write the subject. Subject is I will give Python hotmail. Okay, and then I will give the next line, and then dear Kumar, then again next line. This is an automated email, please ignore. Okay, then again next line, thanks, one more next line, and then Python bot. Okay, so we are done now. So once I hit enter, so it will give this symbol. This means it send the message successfully. Okay, we'll check the mail. So we'll receive the mail for the same new mail for the automation. The subject line is Python bot email. You can check Python bot email, and the body is, this is the body. Okay, in this way you can do. I will change the mail body. I will give send email. You can write a function and you can do this also, and you can make variable to mail, from mail, everything, and subject, body, everything you can do variable. New mail or automation Gmail. The most important is we need to switch on the less secure app, and you need to enable the IMAP and POP3 setting. Okay, WhatsApp with gmail.com. We'll keep it simple. Subject, new message only. Okay, new line. Okay, new line. Okay, new line. I wrongly clicked on enter. Okay, still it's go. Send mail missing one requested positional argument message. Okay, I forgot to give the comma here, so we'll copy here again, paste it here, comma here, thanks. Okay, so now it will send successfully, and I have changed the subject to new message, and the body is hi Sabath, how are you, thanks bot. Okay, we'll check the mail. So it came, hi Sabath, how are you, thanks bot. Okay, in this way you can do the email automation. You can, if you want to do with Outlook, you need to change the host and port number here, and it will work fine. For the other Outlook and Yahoo server, any other email server you want, just change the host and port name, it will work fine. Thank you guys.